How to disable app notification on Unocoin. Are you guys facing issues to disable app notification on Unocoin? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To disable app notifications on Unocoin, open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, tap on More at the bottom right, then go to Settings or App Settings. Tap on Notification to open the notification settings. You will see options like price alerts, order updates, security alerts, and promotional offers. Simply toggle off the type of notification you no longer want to receive. If you want to stop all notification completely, you can also go to your phone settings, find Unocoin app, and turn off notification from there. Once disabled, you won't receive any alerts unless you turn them back on later. And if you are not sure how to turn off any of these steps, make sure to check out our other guides on this channel. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to disable app notification on Unocoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.